tiny reviewer friends. Today I'll be reviewing Trader Joe's presents the crispy crunchy mochi rice nuggets. They're probably a bit hard because it's not squishy like a mochi is. It's kind of like chip because it does say crispy crunchy. So there's also a spicy version, link above, suggested obviously. So it's in Japanese characters. The price is $2.99. The nutrition facts are here. The ingredients are here. May contain traces of wheat, milk, soy, and mackerel. That's interesting. And a label that I'm not going to be reading. Let's open it. Good thing it has a notch. We'll pour it onto a plate. Open it. Good. There you go. Like bananas. Get the plate. There you go. Got it. There's no more. That's it. Alright. I'm gonna taste one. My father's gonna taste another one. Bananas. It is really crispy and crunchy. A bit salty. And I really like it actually. I can eat it for a whole day, day and night. Pretty good. It's pretty hard too, as you heard it. See, I dropped it from here. There you go, see? That was only about 3 inches. And I dropped it and it made a gigantic sound. Awesome. So my father thinks there is a little missing of sweetness. And he doesn't really think it's delicious in some sense, but really, I don't need a lot of sweetness or anything. I think this is good as it is, and I really enjoy it. I'm exactly the opposite. My father, I can eat it day and night. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, press the like button, and meet me again on the brown table. And leave me comments if you want to. And I hope you guys can taste it. I'm waving my hand that way. Bye.